I'll make a little test film of what I would like animation to do and see if I can get any backers. One of the projects was an animated feature version based on Will Eisner's Spirit, about a detective who everyone thinks is dead. I tried for several years to get that made, but no studio would ever let me take off. And I was told often, no animated feature will make over $50 million, and only a Disney film will make anything close to that. So there's no reason why we would get into feature animation.